All right, so now we've had about 45 minutes pass, and these beakers look very similar, but notice that the beaker that was cooler on the left-hand side still has a higher concentration of potassium permanganate at the bottom than it does towards the top of the beaker, whereas on the right, that looks pretty much well distributed, so it looks like a homogeneous distribution. One of the things to keep in mind with diffusion is that there are several things that can affect how quickly it happens, and these are described in Fick's laws of diffusion. And so we know that according to Fick's law of diffusion, the more surface area there is, the faster diffusion will happen. We also see diffusion rate increase when there's a bigger difference or a bigger gradient between two areas. And then, as we saw here, we see a bigger rate of diffusion when we have more Brownian movement. And so we increased our Brownian movement in the beaker on the right by increasing its temperature. So remember, when we increase temperature, we increase those molecular collisions that are happening. And so that increase in molecular collisions and increase in Brownian movement allows our diffusion to happen faster. And so we can see that on the right-hand side.